rabbit, how he has done, what he has done. So today I have given the homework. The day I have given the homework for you to write the first question answer. Name the 4 rabbits' names. So did you written the homework there? So today I write the question answers for that. How many are given? A, B, C, D, E, F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of 6 question answers are given, and put a tick mark it is given. So today we will complete this one, and we have to go in the next session. We are going to complete the concept connection about countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, today I am going to write. So did you learn, did you return the homework? That is page number 13, first question. Name the 4 little rabbits. So they are given two lines there. So you have to write neatly. So how you have to write, I am going to show you. So this is the first answer. No need of first one answer I am going to write like this, and I will draw the line and I will show you how you have to write. From the second second answer onwards, you have to draw it and you have to follow it. Okay, this is the first question answer I have given as homework for you, and he has given the lines. Then what is the name of a 4 little rabbits name? One is capital F L O P S Y, Flopsy. M O P S Y, Mopsy. C O T T O N, Cotton. T A I L, tail, cottontail. A and A, and Peter. So check the answer. I have given the homework for you. You have written the answer correct or wrong. This is the question answer I have given for you as a homework. So Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail, and Peter. These are the 4 rabbits' names. Okay, got it? So I am going to continue the lesson answers. So you have to write it, and afterwards I am going to rub it, and I am going to tell you the other one what you have to do. So write neatly with the pencil. Don't use pen. Okay. So what is the next question is, what did their mother tell them when she saw going out? The mother told them, if place is not sufficient, you can write down them that they could go to the fields to play but they should not go to Mr. MC Gorgeous garden as he did so. Did not, as he did not. This is the second answer. Third answer is, that is C answer. This is the B answer, and this is the A answer. Peter ate. So what is the question? What did Peter Rabbit ate in Mr. MC Gorgeous garden? Peter ate some lectures French beans and radishes. Radishes. This is the C answer. And the D answer is, what did Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail eat for dinner? D answer. Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail ate bread, milk and fruits for dinner. This is the answer for the D bit. And what is the E question? What did Peter Rabbit promise his mother? What did Peter Rabbit promise to his mother? Shall I write it down? E answer. Peter Rabbit promised his mother he would not eat so much food all at once. All at once. This is the E bit answer. First question answer is, name four rabbits. Name the four little rabbits, that is Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter. And the second question is, what did their mother tell them when she was going out? When she is going out, what she told? Their mother told them that they could go to the field to play, but they should not go to Mr. M.C. Gorgeous' garden, as he did not. So, C answer is, Peter ate some lecher, French beans and radishes. D question answer is, what Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail ate for dinner. Flopsy and Mopsy and Cottontail ate bread, milk and fruits for dinner. And the fifth question is, what did Peter Rabbit promise his mother? Peter promised his mother he would not eat so much food all at once. Okay. So I am writing the first two questions. Do you think Peter got punished for being naughty? So being naughty, Peter got punished. two question answers. Already first question you have written, but I told you to check it whether you have written out correct or wrong. I am writing the answer there. Do you think Peter got punished for being naughty? Why? Why not? And yes, Peter was a naughty rabbit. He did not listen to his mother when she told him not to go out for Misty Garden. So that is the F answer. Yes. Peter was a naughty rabbit. He did not listen to his mother. Do you think Peter got punished for his being naughty? Yes, he did. Yes, Peter was a naughty rabbit. He did not listen to his mother. Mother. He went because to avoid falling sick. So falling sick, Peter eaten falling sick. Peter should not have eaten much food. So much food. Okay. This is the answer for the alphabet. Shall I rub it? So I am rubbing everything. So till here you have understood. I have given the notes for you. You have to be prepared. I have written on the board everything. I have written 6 question answers are there. I have written the question answers. I have completed the question answers. After this, can you turn the page number 14? Put a tick mark for the correct answer and cross for the wrong answer. Peter Rabbit was naughty. So what is the first one? Peter Rabbit was naughty. So first one he has given A. Keep a tick mark. B. Peter Rabbit had never lost his jacket and shoes. Right. Wrong. He lost his shoes, no? Peter Rabbit found lichens, French beans, radishes and carrots in the garden. Right. Mr. MC Gorgeous was very happy when he saw Peter Rabbit in the garden. Wrong. Peter Rabbit was caught in the net which was put on the ground to catch thieves. Right. We learned from the story that we should take care of our health. Right. Mr. MC Gargius was able to catch Peter Rabbit. Wrong. Peter Rabbit had to take some bitter medicine. Right. So these are the question and answers we have completed. We have completed the put right or wrongs. Okay. So once again I'll read the question and answers. Just have a glance on it, and whatever the mistakes you have written, just have a I'll read the spellings for everything, so you can write it whenever you have time at home. So first question is, name the four little rabbits, that is Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter Rabbit. Flopsy, Flopsy, Mopsy, Mopsy, Cotton, Cottontail, and Peter, Peter. What did their mother tell him when she was going out? Their mother told them that they could go to the fields to play, but they should not go to Mrs. Gorgeous' garden, as she did not. What did Peter Rabbit eat in the Mr. MC Gorgeous garden? Peter ate some lichens, French beans and radishes. What did Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail eat for dinner? Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail ate bread, milk and fruits for dinner. And the next question is, what did Peter Rabbit promise his mother? Peter Rabbit promised his mother he would not eat so much food all at once. All at once we should not eat the food. That is the question and answers we have completed. And the question, Peter Rabbit was able to eat Peter Rabbit's the mother told him not to go, so he got the punishment that he had to eat too much. What the punishment he got? He got the punishment that everybody ate milk, bread, everything, but he is eaten too much, so he has not got anything to eat at the night. That is the punishment he got. Right or wrong? Peter Rabbit was naughty. It's a right. Peter Rabbit had never lost his jacket and shoes. He never lost he lost. So wrong. Peter Rabbit found lichens, French beans, radishes and carrots in the garden. Right. Mr. MC Gardius was very happy when he saw Peter Rabbit in his garden. Wrong. Peter Rabbit was caught in the net which was put on the ground to catch thieves. Right. We learned from the story that we should take care of our health. Right. MC Mr. Gorgeous was able to catch Peter Rabbit. Wrong. He able to catch Peter Rabbit? No. Peter Rabbit had to take some bitter medicine for he has eaten so much and he got to and he has to eat bitter medicine. You also, whenever you will feeling for suffering from what fever, stomach ache, motion or nothing, whatever you will feel bad or you are suffering from fever, everything you have to take bitter medicines. You will not have sweet medicines, right? You have to take bitter medicines. The medicines will be it's very, how it will be very taste is very bitter. Yes, you have to take the medicines if you won't take care of your health, right? So write down this all and the question answers for the lesson, question answers. So once I read the lesson for you, meanwhile you will be able to have a glance on it. Why? Because you have to, I will give the homework that read Homework is read the lesson. Read the lesson and read and learn 1 to question and answers. Homework is read the lesson and 1 to question answers. Now I am going to read the lesson for you. If you have any spellings that are hard to you, I am going to explain it. So take out page number 8. Once you see frightened, scared, squeezed, move through narrow place, gather, collect, turn, pull apart into pieces, spoiling, ruling, bitter, bad taste, puzzled, confused. These are the new words. And page number 9. Did you know a baby rabbit is called a kitten or a cat? Kitten or a kit. Rabbit can run very fast and have a good memory. A rabbit can see things behind it without turning its head. Eating too much food makes us fall sick. Once upon a time, the tale of the rabbit, Peter Rabbit. Once upon a time, there were 4 little rabbits called Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail, and Peter. They lived near the river under a very big tree. One morning, their mother said, "You may go to field to play, but don't go into Mr. MC Gorgeous garden, as he does not like anyone spoiling his plants. Don't be naughty. I am going out to buy some breads and buns." She picked up her basket and went out. Flopsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail were good little bunnies. They went out to gather fruits, but Peter was very naughty. He ran to Mr. MC Gorgeous garden and squeaked under the gate. First he ate some lichens, then some frank beans, and then some radishes. Then he wanted some carrot. Just then he saw Mr. MC Gorgeous looking at him angrily. Peter ran into a hurry. Mr. MC Match's guardians ran after Peter, calling out, "Stop thief!" Peter was very frightened. He ran all over the garden. He ran over the cabbage and potatoes. He lost his shoe. He was caught into a net on a ground. MC Mr. has put the net there to catch thieves. He tried to get out of the net, but his blue jacket got stuck into the net. Finally, Peter Rabbit became free and ran into the shed. He jumped into the can, but the can was full of water. Peter sneezed, "Ha ha." Mr. MC Guardian tried to catch him again. Peter jumped out of a window. He broke their flower pots. The windows was too small for Mr. MC Gorgeous, and he was tired of running after Peter. What happened? When Peter reached home, he was so tired. His mother was busy cooking, and she looked at him in surprise. It was the second jacket and pair of shoes that Peter had lost. Peter was not well in the evening as he had eaten too much, so he had to take to a better medicine. But Flopsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail had bread, milk, and fruits for the dinner. Peter promised never to eat so much food all at once again. This is the lesson. So this lesson you have to read it and you have to understand it. Now I am going to make you to read first 2 question answers that I have given as homework for you to read. Learn the 2 question answers. So the 2 question answers are: what are the names of 4 little rabbits? Names of 4 little rabbits, that are Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail, and Peter. Name the 4 little rabbits: Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail, and Peter. Name the four little rabbits, Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter. What did their mother tell him when she was going out? When she was Their mother told them that they could go to the field to play, but they should not go to Mr. MC Gorgeous garden as he did not like anyone spoiling his plants. Their mother told them that they could go to the fields to play, but they should not go to the Mr. MC Gorgeous garden as he did not like anyone spoiling his plants. So what the mother told? What is the question? What did the mother tell them when she was going out? The mother told them that they could go to the field to play, but they should not go to Mr. MC Gorgeous garden as he did not like anyone spoiling his plans. These are the two question answers you have to read, and you have to learn 1-2 question answers. Okay. What did the mother told? What did the mother tell them when she was going out? The mother told them that they could go to the field to play, but they should not go to Mr. MC Gorgeous garden as he did not like anyone spoiling his plants. The mother told them that they could go to the field to play, but they should not go to Mr. MC Gorgeous garden as he did not like anyone spoiling his plants. That is the answer for that. So the 2 question answers you have to learn, and tick the correct answers once you see it whether you have wrote correct or not. I have written same like that only on the board. The questions are: put a tick mark for the correct answer and the cross mark for the wrong answer. Peter Rabbit was a naughty rabbit. It is right. Peter Rabbit had never lost his jacket and shoes. That is wrong. Peter Rabbit found lichens, French beans, radishes and carrots in the garden. Right. Mr. MC Gorgeous was very happy when he saw Peter Rabbit in his garden. That is wrong. Peter Rabbit was caught in the net which was put on the ground to catch thief. Right. We learned from the story that we should take care of our health. It's right. Mr. MC Gorgeous was able to catch Peter Rabbit. It's wrong. Peter Rabbit had to take some bitter medicine. It's right. That is about this one. In the next topic we are going to learn about the concept connection. That is about countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day and do your homework properly, and read. Homework is to read the lesson and learn 1-2 question and answers. That is the homework for you. Don't forget it, and you have to do the homework, and you have to read the lesson, and you have to learn 1-2 question answers for OT. That is, I am going to ask you when the school reopens. Okay, that's all for today. In the next session we are going to learn about concept connection. That is about countable and uncountable nouns. Thank you. Have a nice day.